Hi, this is Katerina from SAP, and I would like to show you today the purchasing spend dashboard that we deliver with the S/4HANA Cloud Release 2002. This dashboard is powered by SAP Analytics Cloud and can be accessed via the role Buyer for every user who has assigned this role. In the group up here, we have the Purchasing Overview and Dashboards tab. And underneath there, you will find this tile Purchasing Spend Dashboard, which you can then open by simply clicking. Once you've opened this dashboard, you can basically see the purchase order net amount and get an overview of it. So what we do in this dashboard basically is we compare the current year to the previous year along different dimensions. So first of all, you will get some KPIs up here, the variance between the different KPIs. And then down below in the next section, you see this data reflected in a timely manner by quarters in the first chart and also in a time series chart for every day showing the purchase order net amount of your company. So what we can do basically as a user of this dashboard, in this case, as we are in January 2020, we only have the first quarter being filled with data. We can compare that now, for instance, with the last year first quarter, and by simply clicking, we directly see the difference in total and also in percentage. Let's open the time series chart on the right side here in full screen. And as you can see, you get the data that is available in this time series chart. So down below you have this time bar, which you can adjust according to your needs. So let's say we are interested in the data coming from October until today. And we see here the different points. And if I hover over the different points on the left side upper, you can see a small toolbox which gives you some more information about the amount of at this day. Now let's close this again. Getting back to our dashboard, down below there is a section which focuses on the purchase order net amount by different, along different dimensions, like the supplier or the purchase order by material group, purchasing group, etc. And what you can see in these different charts is that we again compare the current year to the previous year along this specific dimension, in this case the supplier, and we also show the variance between previous and current year along in such a chart, having a color coding underneath which says if it's green then it's good, and if we are in the red area then for sure this is not the best solution or result. Let's open this also in full screen quickly. As you can see, this chart has been filtered. It only shows our top 5 suppliers. What we can do now basically is we can change that. Let's say we are interested in the top 7 and not the top 5. We can simply enter the 7 here, and as you can see, the chart directly also shows 2 other suppliers that are available. I could also ask for the bottom supplier by purchasing that order if I would like to. And as you can see, the changes are still reflected. If I go back from full screen into the dashboard, I could also change it here directly if I want to. Let's continue to show you the details page. So again, here we start with a summary of KPIs. How many suppliers did you have this year, last year, this year, purchase orders compared to each other. We have on top also a filter bar for different filtering options. Let me quickly go over the dashboard and then we go into the filtering settings. So what we have here as well is again by different dimensions like the supplier material group, purchase order, net amount in the current year. And down below, there is a stack bar chart that shows us the purchase order net amount by spend categories, material and services, and also the total amount for the last year in month being shown and the current year. Now, what we can do basically is if we're interested in, let's say, for a specific material group and we would like to filter the whole page here, we can basically use this filter up there. We click on it. Currently, all material groups are selected, and we would like to select only this specific one. As you can see, the dashboard is reloading, and the data is now only reflecting material group L001. As we can also see in this chart, there's only one material group being shown, and we can now see for this specific material group which supplier, for instance, has the highest purchase order net amount. Now let's go back, select all again. And if we would like to achieve the same filtering only for this specific range of charts, so not for the whole page, but only a specific range of charts, there's also the functionality of linked analysis. If I would like to filter again on the specific material group, I could also simply click on the bar. And as you can see, only the charts here in this area are being reloaded and now reflect only this specific material group. If I click again here, then the filter is gone away and it reflects all material groups. This is a quick filtering options. There are different options as well. We also have a filtering option up here where you can basically filter the same content for every field that this CDS view provides. But you are filtering the whole dashboard. So not only the page and not only a group of charts, but the whole dashboard. So there are different filtering options that are possible within this dashboard. Now maybe let's continue to the context page, where we again see the purchase order net amount in different functionalities and views. And what we can do now as well is there's a possibility to include input controls, where you can basically show the same chart focusing on a different view. And in this case, we would like to see the charts not focusing on cost centers, but on the work breakdown structure element. So I can basically have this input control here and give the user the opportunity to change views. And as you can see, this chart now looks different and reflects the work breakdown structure. Down below, it's also possible to include tables into the dashboard. In this case, again, the purchase order net amount by calendar month, material group, and so on and so on. Let's quickly show that also in full screen. And as you can see, you get this table now showing the data in full screen, and there is also the possibility to adjust it a bit according to your needs. So depending if there's a drill setting being defined for this specific CDS view, then we would be able also to drill into hierarchies. In this case, we would like to use the sort option and sort the material group, let's say descending. And as you can see, it is directly reflected here. Let's close the full screen again. Now, what we can do as well, or what every dashboard that is powered by Analytics Cloud in S/4HANA Cloud offers, is the possibility to save navigation points. So as you can see, we have selected the work breakdown structure element and we've changed the ordering here, and we would like to save the state now according to our needs, because we would like to use the state oftentimes and do not want to click this all the time. So what we basically offer is the possibility to save this view. Let me save it again. We can also say that this view should be our default view, so every time you open this tile, this app, your navigation points are being opened, and you can also say that you would like to publish this to your peers. Let's save that, and as you can see up here, we are currently in the specific view, and now if we change that back to the standard view, and as you can see, it has changed to cost center again, and the material group is sorted the other way around now. What you can do as well in this dashboard is there's a possibility to adjust the prompts that come with the underlying CDS view that has been delivered by SAP. This is that little button here. So when you open this prompt dialog, what you can change in this case is the display currency. For instance, currently it's euro. As you can see down here, every number has been being displayed in euros, and now we can basically change that. And let's say we would like to show everything in dollars, in US dollars, and hit set. And as you can see, or should be seeing, everything is now reflected in US dollar. There's also the possibility to save this application as a tile, for instance, to your home page section in the VR Launchpad. You could give this a title and then give it a group where you would like to find it, and know where to access this app the next time. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for further enhancements of this dashboard in our next releases. Thanks.